Hi Gopi Chand, myself Savitri from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take a feedback video from your side. Gopi Chand, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Gopi Chand and my native is from Kannur. It is located in Andhra Pradesh. Coming to my qualification, I have done my higher graduation in Brindavan Institute of Technology and Science.
Have you know about CMTI?
With the reference of my friend, ma'am.
Okay. In CMTI, which course you have taken?
I have taken IDM.
Okay. So in that course, what you and all see?
Interior design, I have learned Autocad, SketchUp, and here they have trained for portfolio sessions, and they have taken to me site visits.
So you have visited various site and showroom visit, right? Which are the site visit, showroom visit you have visited?
I have visited Foodro Interiors.
Okay. So inside visit and showroom visit, what you have learned?
I have learned from the experience, and I have gained knowledge from them, and how they are going to execute the work, and how they are going to finish. That I have learned.
So Gopi Chand, you have used our CMT app.
Yes, ma'am. I have used.
How it was useful to crack the interview?
It was very helpful to crack the interview, and there is some how to interact with the SARs and how to able to answer the questions, and it was very helpful.
So in online, how was the classes?
Yes, ma'am. Online mode very good. If I got any doubt, they are clearing the doubts.
Okay. How was the coordinators and trainer support towards you?
They are supporting too much, ma'am. They are very helpful to clear the interview. If I got any doubt, they are easily to clear the doubts.
Okay, Gopi Chand, which role you have selected?
I have selected for site executive.
Okay. Are you happy with your placement?
I'm very happy with it.
Okay. Finally, what do you want to tell about your juniors and seniors who wanna join to go CMTA?
నేను ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కోర్స్ తీసుకున్నాను మేడం. తర్వాత మా నాన్న కొద్దిగా హెల్త్ ఇష్యూ రావడం వల్ల నేను ఆన్లైన్ కోర్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఆన్లైన్ కోర్స్ తీసుకున్నా ఇక్కడ మేడం, మా దీపా మేడం, వీళ్ళంతా ఫ్యాకల్టీ కూడా చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. హెల్ప్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అయిపోయినాక వచ్చి ఇక్కడ కలిశాను. కానీ వేరే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఇలా హెల్ప్ చేయరు ఇంటర్వ్యూ షెడ్యూల్ చేయడానికి. కానీ వాళ్ళు ఏదున్నా నా ప్రాబ్లం తగ్గట్టు క్లాసెస్ అనేది ట్రైన్ చేశారు. దాన్ని బట్టి నేను వాళ్ళ సపోర్ట్ తో నేను ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్రాక్ చేస్తాను.
So finally, once again, congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.